Welcome to Legal Gangsta Network. Today's topic is one that no parent hopes to face. Your adult child just got arrested. Now, what do you do? In Texas, 17 years old is considered an adult for criminal cases. If you're overwhelmed, anxious, or unsure of what steps to take next, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through each stage from that first phone call to the final disposition of the case. Our goal is to provide you with every detail needed to navigate the Texas justice system confidently. Share this video with every parent you know in Texas. The first thing you need to do is stay calm. Although it's natural to feel a flood of emotions, keeping a level head will help you make the right choices. Here's what you should do immediately. 1. Where is your child being held? Go to legal-gangsta.com to locate your child and find out exactly where they're being held. This resource provides reliable information on their location, avoiding the need to call the jail directly and minimizing stress. 2. What are the charges? Find out what charges your child is facing. Knowing this will help you understand the severity of the situation and determine what legal steps are required. 3. Remind them to remain silent. Until they have legal representation, it's critical that your child remains silent. Anything they say can impact their case, and silence is often the best protection until an attorney can guide them. Shortly after the arrest, your child will have a magistrate hearing where a judge will formally read the charges and decide on bail. Here's what you need to know about this process. 1. Types of bail bonds. Cash bond. The full amount must be paid directly to the court. Surety bond. A bail bondsman can post bail for a fee, usually around 10% of the total bail. Personal recognizance bond. In some cases, especially for minor charges, your child might be released without any cash requirement. 2. Securing bail. If bail is set, explore whether a family member can help or if a bail bondsman is necessary. Many bondsmen in Texas offer payment plans, so don't hesitate to discuss options. 3. Legal conditions on bail. Understand that if bail conditions are not met, your child could be rearrested. Typical conditions may include regular check-ins, staying away from certain people or places, and attending all court dates. Securing a strong attorney is a critical step. Here's how to approach it. 1. Research attorneys with criminal defense experience in Texas. You'll want an attorney who knows the ins and outs of the Texas legal system, ideally with experience in your child's specific county. Search for reputable lawyers with backgrounds in criminal defense. 2. Court-appointed lawyer. If hiring a private attorney isn't feasible, they have the right to request a court-appointed lawyer. While they're often skilled, maintaining communication with the attorney ensures your child's case is managed actively. 3. Payment options. Many attorneys offer payment plans. Consider this when selecting a lawyer, as it may help make legal representation more accessible. Now let's discuss the charges in more detail. Understanding these will help you navigate the road ahead. First, the types of charges in Texas. Misdemeanors are generally lower-level offenses with lighter penalties, but they can still carry jail time, fines, and probation. Felonies, on the other hand, are serious offenses that can result in years of prison time. Felony charges are classified from state jail to capital degrees. Next, the classifications of misdemeanors. Class C misdemeanors, like public intoxication, are minor, often resulting in fines. Class A and B misdemeanors involve more serious offenses, such as DWI. State jail, third, second, first, and capital degree felonies can include severe consequences, such as long-term jail time and even death. Finally, the penalty ranges. The penalties will depend on the degree of the offense, so it's crucial that you and your attorney understand the full range of consequences to prepare an effective defense. Once your child's bail is set and they have an attorney, they'll need to prepare for court appearances. Here's how to stay organized. First, tracking court dates. Missing a court date can result in a bench warrant. Use a shared calendar or digital reminder system to track every date carefully. Second, preparing evidence and documentation. Work with your child's attorney to gather any evidence or documentation that might support their defense. This could include witness statements, receipts, photos, or videos. Third, preliminary hearings and plea bargaining. In Texas, there may be preliminary hearings where evidence is presented. Sometimes plea deals are offered. Your child's attorney can guide them on whether it's wise to accept a plea or go to trial. Lastly, setting realistic expectations. Legal cases take time. Remind your child that patience and preparation are key to a successful outcome. Support them emotionally throughout this process. After court appearances, the case will eventually reach disposition. Here are the potential outcomes. 1. Acquittal or dismissal. If the judge or jury finds your child not guilty, or if the case is dismissed, they may avoid further penalties. 2. Conviction and sentencing. If convicted, they could face fines, probation, community service, or jail time. The sentencing will depend on the severity of the charges. 3. Probation and alternative sentences. For some offenses, Texas allows alternatives to jail time, such as probation or a community service program. If this is offered, it can be a way for your child to move forward without serving time. If your child's case is dismissed or they're found not guilty, they may qualify for expungement or sealing their record, which can help restore their future opportunities. 1. Understanding expungement in Texas. Expungement or expunction means removing an arrest, charge, or conviction from their record. If the case was dismissed, no billed by a grand jury, or if they were found not guilty, they might qualify. 2. What can be expunged? Texas allows expungement for certain misdemeanors, felonies, dismissed charges, cases of wrongful conviction, and for many other reasons. Serious felonies, however, may not qualify. 3. Record sealing or an order of non-disclosure. For cases that don't qualify for expungement, record sealing is an option. This keeps the record hidden from public view, though law enforcement and certain government organizations may still access it. This is often available to individuals who completed probation, deferred adjudication, court programs, pretrial diversion, mental health, and veteran programs, just to name a few. 4. How to start the expungement or sealing process. Begin by contacting Legal Gangsta at legal-gangsta.com. They've written a 10-step guide specifically for criminal record expungement and sealing in Harris County, Texas. 5. Time frame and benefits of expungement or sealing. The process can take several months, but it's worthwhile as it clears your child's record, allowing them to move forward with new opportunities in education, employment, and housing. After navigating the Texas justice system, your child will need guidance and support to move forward. Here's how you can help. 1. Encourage counseling and support programs. The journey can be mentally taxing. Many communities in Texas offer support groups and counseling for individuals who've gone through the criminal justice system. 2. Focus on rebuilding and future planning. Help your child focus on setting goals, whether for employment, education, or personal development. Expungement or sealing will clear the path, but encouragement and accountability will help them stay on track. 3. Connect with resources through Legal Gangsta Network. We're here to support you with resources, guidance, and a network of like-minded individuals. Visit legal-gangsta.com for additional information. Thank you for watching our video on what to do when your child gets arrested, covering every step from arrest to case disposition, and even exploring options for expungement or sealing. We understand that this journey can feel overwhelming, but each step you take is building a foundation for a brighter future. At Legal Gangsta Network, we're here to empower you with the knowledge, faith, and confidence you need to support your child and navigate the Texas justice system. If this video has provided value, please subscribe, share with other parents who may need this information. And remember, there's always hope. For more resources, guidance, and support, visit legal-gangsta.com. Stay strong, stay informed, and keep the faith. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video and on this channel is not intended as legal advice.